getting so cold in here, I'm about to buff up that temperature, man!
Squidward, you know what's gonna happen if you touch that thermostat, right?
Well, guess what, SpongeBob? You forgot Mr. Krabs won't be here today, so I can do what the hell I want, and I'm gonna go buff that temperature, Sponge. Alright, where's that temperature? Oh, there you are. What's buffing this
Squidward! Nobody touches me thermostat!
Oh no, SpongeBob! He's here!
Well, it was nice knowing you, Squidward.